What's up, guys? Today we're gonna bring it back to the North Carolina video. So we're gonna start packing up, and I'll catch you guys down there in 3 hours. We got a long trip ahead of us. Alright guys, so we're gonna put this trailer hitch on. So yeah, let's get started. So we arrived, guys, so catch you in the morning. This video down here, this is pretty much what we did, so I'll leave a link down below to go check that video. So yeah, this is what we did last time. Now, so I'm gonna get started. If you guys didn't check out the last video of us, this is part 3, but part 2 and 1, we knocked this out, so we'll check out the other videos. So yeah, this is day 2, and we're gonna get started. Alright guys, so we're gonna head to Family Dollar, since this is the only thing down here. So I'll catch you in the next 6 miles. Alright guys, so this is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna clean this stuff up from the storm last couple days. It's pretty much the story, so let's get started. this little guy I spotted while I was cleaning up. So next we're gonna move on to this and clean this up. And all over here, so let's get started. Our project's done now, so let's start picking up these sticks and all that. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're going to start around picking up all the leaves and all the branches that fell around the lamp, so let's get started. Alright guys, so this is our next project. We have a pretty bad mess to clean up, but we're gonna get it done. So we're gonna start cleaning up. So we already took care of load 1, so let's move on to the next one. Guys, so we taken care of the third trip, so let's go to the fourth. If you guys are wondering why we're not using machines right now, it's because there's no bobcats or anything like dumpsters. There's nothing out here right now because it's just pretty much a abandoned town, and we're just working on it right now. If you guys were wondering, that's the reason why. So we're just using hand tools right now and just to do how much we can right now and just use our natural resources. So yeah. So that project's gonna be on hold. We're gonna see if we can try to get a machine down here or a dumpster, because it's just nothing but fabric and it's just all gooey and it's nasty. So we're gonna see if we can get some machines down here in the trailer just to make sure. So yeah, on to the next project. guys, so that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, I consider to like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. And you did see a little glimpse of part 2. So I only post Sundays now, so you'll see that video a week after that. So yeah, just get ready for that video and you see part of it.